Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Glazer here, coming at you with another YouTube marketing strategy video. In this one, we're going to look at a little YouTube hack that will get you loads of free traffic from YouTube using YouTube suggested videos. So, um, this is a really unique feature that not a lot of people really give thought to. But if you do it right, you're going to be able to pretty much hijack your competitors' videos and get seen off of their videos. So what it is what we'll do is we'll just go here and we'll type in something that you're interested in. Say how to make money with CPA or something like that. Something you are trying to rank for. So whatever it is, if it's affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, weight loss, or anything like that, you're going to type in your keyword. This will be after you've done your keyword research. So if you need to learn more about that, there's other videos you can go and check or on my channel. So subscribe to my channel. You can also click the link below and get to access my guide, and it'll cover that as well, along with some other stuff, including how to set up your channel to be profitable with some ninja tricks, how to create videos, and how to rank videos. So that'll all be in that guide. So you can click the link below and snag that. So what we're going to do here first is we're going to show you what a YouTube suggested video is. So as you can see, there's lots of videos here, and most of them, it looks like 2 of them are from Mr. Opulent. So what you can do is you can click on one of these. So we'll just click on this one, and remember that title. You want to kind of keep that title, and you want to create a title that's simple to that. So you're going to say how to make 10K per day with CPA marketing. You can switch it up and say make 10K per day with CPA marketing for beginners, or anything like that. That's very similar. So what's going to happen is once you click on this video, and once other viewers click on this video, they are going to come to this video here, and if you look over here, you will get a list of suggested videos. Now you're going to notice that a lot of them are very similar. CPA affiliate marketing, CPA marketing tutorial, how to make 1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. So if you keep it, really simple, YouTube is going to show your video over here. Because what's going to happen is, obviously you want to reach viewers that are looking for solutions to the problems they're having in their niche. So if it's CPA marketing, people are trying to learn how to increase their conversions. So that means they've been watching a lot of videos on CPA marketing on YouTube. So that means you need to have, to include a title that's similar, because once it gets up, YouTube's search engines are going to pick it up, and they're going to put it over here as a suggested video, and they'll even play it after this video ends. So it's just a little YouTube hack that you can use. It doesn't take too much time to do the research. It's just like doing keyword research. It's just another element to it. So that's it for today. I hope that helps. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already for more YouTube hack videos, YouTube marketing strategy videos, and I will talk to you soon. And don't forget to download my guide below in the description. Have an awesome day.